Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial. If you're new, special welcome to you. In this video, I'm going to show you three ways where you can quickly change the sound output device on Windows 11. So there are a few ways how to go about doing this. The fastest way that you can change this is by looking to the lower right hand side on your taskbar and click on the volume icon. Here you'll click this little, let's say, filter here, and once you click in that, you can just easily go ahead and switch between different output devices right here, right? So that's one way. Another way is to simply right click on your taskbar and just simply click on taskbar settings. This is going to open up settings for you and just simply click on system on the upper left right here from these options on the left. You want to click on sounds there, and from here you can choose the output devices. You can also do this another way by choosing apps. So if you scroll down as well, you will find an option under advanced that says volume mixer. If you click on this, you can basically set output devices by app. So here you have output device, and you can just simply click the drop down and just change different ones from here. So that's how you can easily do it, guys. And as well, you can also click the drop down as well against different apps, and here you'll find output device. You click where it says default and you can select them for apps as well. So that's how you can easily change the output device on your Windows 11 PC, guys. Very easy and very simple.